What's going on, tribe? Mr. First and 15. Been a while since I've been at you. Got here with a ton of bricks. Came down with the flu or something similar to it. Um, but nevertheless, I'm here. I'm back. Almost had to go to the doctor. Never go to the doctor, but we made it through with our typical meds, a little ginkgo biloba, some Advil, cough drops, all that good stuff. Um, Even with the flu or feeling ill, um, made it through to finishing off first ebook. Going to make an audio book as well for it. Trust the process, everything will follow. Had a lot of fun writing it. It's going to be a real treat for a lot of you just really are looking to uh, surpass both your visions and goals. So super pumped um, and delivering that content to you because that's what we're here for, to crush those goals and those visions, baby. Oh yeah. All right. So I just wanted to give a PSA because I feel like there's a lot of people that need this message, you know. Um, and that message is hustlers allow other hustlers to hustle. All right. And what I mean by that is if you're a hustler and you making money, then obviously, you have a team. And hopefully in that team you have other hustlers, right, to make you money. Because obviously, there's a hierarchy. Okay, if you call yourself a boss, okay, then the only way you can really make money is by having other bosses that's supervising other people, below you. And so it's imperative that they eat because they got to stay motivated. Otherwise, you're not going to eat. They're going to, skim some off the top from you so that they can eat. All right. So the reason why I'm saying this is because some of you are out here, evaluating real estate deals, okay, and you're working with consultants, wholesalers, what may have you, and on the surface you like the deal, but then once you recognize what fees they're charging, you want to back out the deal. See, that's your problem right there. Okay. You need a connect, a plug, a negotiator, especially for your first few deals. Now, once you do a few deals and you see how the process works, by all means, you don't need nobody. But your first few deals, you completely unaware of the landscape. So you need somebody to walk you through. Okay. So obviously there's a fee for that. All right. Now, the other alternative, which I see a lot of times, is you just sit on the sideline. Okay. So evaluate the deal as a whole. Okay. Somebody brings you a deal. They say, okay, this is the price. This is the return. Okay, you evaluate it as a whole. If you want a concession on the price to make the deal, savvy to yourself, okay, at that time, do so. Okay, but don't be agreeing on a deal and then when you get to the end table and you start seeing agreement saying, okay, you know what, this assignment fee is X, then you get amnesia and you want to back out the deal because you think that's too much money for somebody negotiating a deal for you. All right. That's a key way to be on the sidelines forever. You don't want to do that. All right. Just like you don't walk into Walmart and ask Walmart, okay, what's their percentage of the pie? Okay. They're a retailer. So obviously they're getting their product from wholesalers. All right. And they charge their markup. All right. Same concept. You don't go into the club or the bar and ask the the bartender, how much of a markup are you charging me on this liquor? Right? You don't do that. It's just unheard of, right? And but in that you not even really getting a gain from that. I mean, you getting a temporary gain or whatever, okay? But you're not getting no residual income. You're not making money off of those transactions. But in a case in point where you making money off of transactions, you want to nip people in the bud that's trying to help you. Don't do it. It don't make no sense, man. So that's just a quick PSA for you. You know, be smart. Okay. Make boss moves. Like wisen ups. Evaluate the deal as a whole from the start. Don't get to the end line and then start backtracking because this person gets X. If you want to know that information from the start, let them know. They may not disclose it to you. They don't have to. You know, Walmart doesn't disclose their markups. You know, so a wholesaler, consultant, they may not disclose their assignment fee. I don't think they really should. Okay, like I said, evaluate the deal as a whole, all right, and recognize their value. They're bringing you the deal, right? You want them to bring you more deals. If not, just do it yourself. But by doing it yourself, you're going to see, okay, there's some roadblocks there, right? And you'll recognize their value if they're good at what they do. So that's it. If you're a hustler, make sure you allow other hustlers to hustle.